Pakistani audience a chance to catch up with you.
Thank you.
How has the journey been since 1989 to 2013, hits after hit?
From 1989 to now, it's been fabulous. I mean, I would do this again and again, all over again, any number of times. It's been a long journey, but it's gone by like so quick. Like it was just yesterday that I signed Maine Pyar Kiya.
You have the magical success of giving consecutive hits, 5 consecutive hits, from Dabangg to Ready to Ek Tha Tiger, Bodyguard, and then again Dabangg 2. So, what is the mantra behind it?
I'm just enjoying it, just liking what I'm doing. I've just become slightly more interested. I've started looking at my profession as a hobby. I've been having fun. I've been just doing everything full-heartedly. I've just been enjoying every single moment of it. Each role that I pick at that point in time is my most favorite role. And that's it. So each and every role that I do, I wouldn't want to do it because I'm not liking the role. If I don't like the role and I think the script is a fabulous script, I'll make sure that I start liking the role. The whole process of filmmaking, that I will not work with somebody if I'm not going to get along with the person. But if I do work with the person, I'll make sure that during that time, those 150, 200 days, I'll make sure that I get along with them fabulously well.
Make sure from scratch that it has to be gone through you?
No, obviously, if I'm being a part of something, I have to listen to it, I've got to hear it. And the final say would be, more or less, sensible people make sensible decisions. It's a very thin line, I guess it's always a teamwork, and some things would be there because I want them to be there, because they're correct for the film, because I know a little bit of the fans, the audiences. This is the kind of stuff that they would want to see themselves doing. When I do a film, I don't see myself playing that character, but I'm just saying, I see that if I had a hero, I would want him to play it like this. So I am doing a film, but the film that I'm doing is I am watching a star doing that. I want the star to do all those kind of things. So I'm watching a movie, signing a film as a fan wanting to see the film, that I will pay the money to go to the theater and go and watch the movie.
Do you think from the fans' point of view?
I only think from the front row and audience. When I'm even doing a shot, I just sit back and think that if I was watching somebody, how would I have wanted him to do it, as totally as a fan. No, I'm not a professional at all. I'm just all heartfelt. There's sometimes that I think that this is the right way to do the scene. 5 days later, I said, "No, yaar, wo galat ho gaya. Shouldn't have done like that. Should have done some other way." But then that's done. It's done. None of us are disciplined. We just, whenever we're ready with what we want to do and we're 100% sure of what we want to do, till that time we don't get into it. And then to our best knowledge, to our best, ability, capability, we do our work. So it's never like that you have to be on time or seriously hardworking. We just feel the right moment, and we just think that this is something that we have to do, and we have to give it our best. It's a lot of friendship. There's a lot of understanding. There's a lot of improvisations.
How is the role familiar to your own character, to your own qualities?
I guess everybody has got 1 or 2% of whatever they play in them, or they would want to be. I would ideally, I would want to play characters that I want to be, but I can't be them. So I guess Chulbul Pandey or Radhe Mohan or Veer or any of these characters would, perhaps I would want to be those characters. And somewhere in today's time and age, one cannot be those characters, especially in our profession. We can play them on screen.
So when did you first realize you wanted to be an actor as a kid?
I don't know. Still haven't realized that. I wanted to be a director, and then I got movies, and I became an actor. Now that I'm an actor, I don't think there's any better thing for me to do than to act on screen.
If you were not an actor, what would you be?
I have no idea.
Never thought about it. Okay. So you have done wonderful comic roles and you have done action hero. Which do you like playing more?
They both are difficult depending on what frame of mind you are in. You're in a bad mood and you have to do comedy is the most difficult thing to do, and you're tired and you haven't slept for nights and you're not well and you have to do action at 2 or 3 o'clock in the night. You got to jump off buildings or whatever you do in action. It takes a toll on you. So you have to make sure that your personal life is also the way your real life is going.
Any role that has made you do something really strange that you didn't like doing or you remember doing or you enjoy doing?
No, I think like Tere Naam, I thought it was a loose character. I liked the film, I like the character, but that was the character was a loser. I didn't want anybody to follow Radhemon. So when I came out to publicize the film, I realized that this character is a loser. No one should ever follow him. So I kept on saying that you watch the movie, but the character is a loser's character. Don't ever follow that character.
But yet you got a lot of critical acclaim for your role in Tere Naam.
So these kind of films, they do get you that kind of stuff. And I think that they're the simplest roles to play, to do. And they get noticed and they get critically acclaimed for some stuff which is like so simple to do. I just don't understand this. The difficult roles are like comedies, like what Govinda does. It's like what Akshay is doing now. It's very difficult, a lot of energy, a lot of timing, lot of being alert, improvisations, etc., etc. So because comedy basically cannot be written; it has to be improvised. So a lot of hard work, and that goes totally unnoticed. I think especially a guy who's a hero, who's like a main lead doing comedy, it's fabulous. And I think that for that, there's nobody better than Govinda ever. I think he's a complete actor.
Do you plan to do any other movie with him, like Partner?
If something nice comes up, yes.
Sequel of Partner?
We're not finding a script which would surpass the Partner script. Once we get that, Partners are back on.
What is this thing with sequels going on in Bollywood these days?
I have no idea. I've done one after a very long time. I've never done a sequel in my life. I just felt that Dabangg has a potential of 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. So we're just doing Dabangg, and No Entry script has turned out really well. So I think there'll be a sequel to No Entry as well.
You love coming to Dubai. How do you find the place, and which is your most favorite place to be in Dubai?
Dubai is my most favorite place to be in Dubai. I mean, I like Dubai. I'm inside Dubai. Inside Dubai, every place is superb. I like Dubai.
Thank you so much. Would you tell us something about your new movie, Mental?
Doing a film called Mental, and it's a mental film.
Thank you so much.